To add maps to Wix, you will need to set up and add Google Maps locations to your Wix website. This process is straightforward and can be completed in a few steps. First, you need to create a Google Cloud account and enable the Google Maps JavaScript API. This will provide you with an API key that you will use to embed the map on your Wix website. Next, go to the Wix editor and click on the Add button on the top bar. Then select More and search for Google Maps. Click on the Google Maps app and then click on the Add to Site button. You will then be prompted to enter your Google Maps API key. Enter the API key you obtained from the Google Cloud Console and click on the Apply button. After applying the API key, you can add a map to your Wix website by clicking on the Add button on the top bar and selecting Google Maps from the menu. You can then enter the location you want to display on the map and adjust the map settings as needed. To add multiple locations to the map, you can click on the Add Marker button and enter the address of the location you want to add. You can also customize the map by changing the map type, zoom level, and marker settings. Best practices for adding maps to Wix include using a clear and concise address, optimizing the map for mobile devices, and customizing the map to match your website's design. By following these steps, you can easily add Google Maps locations to your Wix website and provide your visitors with a interactive and engaging way to view your location. This can be particularly useful for businesses that have multiple locations or want to provide directions to their customers. Overall, adding maps to Wix is a simple process that can enhance the user experience and provide valuable information to your visitors.